Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious chicken chipotle pasta. So in case you guys don't know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, we're going to begin by getting our choice of pasta ready. So I already have my water boiling. I'm going to be adding salt. And once my water is boiling, we're going to add the pasta and just cook it according to its package. Make sure that you mix it. Okay, so once our pasta is done, we're going to reserve 1 cup of its water. And now we're just going to drain it. Okay, now we're just going to set our pasta to the side. Okay, so we're going to get our chicken ready. Here I have 4 pieces of chicken breast that I sliced in half. So it's already ready. And to season it, we're going to add half a cup of all-purpose flour. For our spices, we're going to be using salt. I'm using 1.5 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chipotle pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Okay, we're going to mix it. Okay, once we have that, we're going to be coating our chicken with the mixture. So just make sure that it gets completely coated. Remove the excess and repeat the process to all of the chicken breast. Okay, and once we have our chicken, now we can get ready to begin cooking. To our skillet over medium-high heat, we're going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter. We're also going to be adding 2 tablespoons of oil. We're just going to allow the butter to melt. Okay, and once the butter melts, we're going to be placing our chicken and allow it to cook for 3 minutes on each side. After 3 minutes, we're going to flip our chicken over. Allow it to cook for another 3 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, our chicken should be done, so we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low. And now we're just going to remove our chicken. Okay. We're going to cover it and set it to the side, allow it to rest, and meanwhile we can make our sauce. To the same pan, we're going to add a little bit more oil. We're going to be adding 2 minced garlic cloves. Chipotle peppers, I'm using 3. Sun-dried tomatoes, I'm using about 6. We're going to give it a couple seconds. Okay, so once you begin to smell the garlic, we're going to be also adding 2 teaspoons of the flour mixture. So just mix it. Okay, we're going to be mixing in 2.5 cups of heavy cream, the pasta water, and 1 can of media crema. Okay, so we're just going to mix it. And for our spices, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Salt, I'm using half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of chipotle powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, and just allow it to come to a simmer. Okay, so once our sauce has come to a simmer, it should have thickened up. So at this point, you want to taste it and see if you want to add any more salt or if you want to add more chipotle. But for me, it's perfect. So now we're going to be adding 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Just going to allow it to melt, and we're almost done. Okay, so once the cheese has melted, now we're going to add our pasta. Mix it in with the sauce. And at this point, keep it to the lowest setting. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our pasta ready. So now we can get ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So we're going to begin by grabbing our pasta. Okay, once we have that, we can get ready to place our chicken. Okay, we're going to grab our chicken breast. And then we're just going to cut it into strips. Going to grab our chicken, place it on top of our pasta. Going to be topping it with more Parmesan cheese and chopped cilantro, but of course you can use parsley, just to add a little color. I'm going to be serving with garlic bread, and just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I love pasta. We all love pasta. This is seriously super easy to make. It's quick, and the best part is that everyone gets to enjoy it. And of course, you know, the spice level you get to adjust that to your liking. If you want it more spicy, add more chili chipotles. But for me, this is perfect. For my family, this is just delicious. The best part too, you know, is that the chicken is nice, juicy, and so flavorful. So of course you want to serve it as soon as you know it's done. But I am so ready, so I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it just as much as we do. So cheers and enjoy. Simply the best. It's so good. The pasta, the chicken, it's just perfect. You know, the pasta is creamy, it's cheesy, so flavorful, and the chicken, best combination ever. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious chicken chipotle pasta. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.